Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of all. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 4, and we are learning unit number 14, and its title is A Good Citizen. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 1, under the title of Grammar, we will learn about demonstrative pronouns, and we will cover page 113. We will learn about demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so this is our lecture today. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about pronouns, possessive pronoun, my dear students. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to learn more about pronouns. Our today's student learning outcome is construct sentences beginning with words that point to something, i.e. this, that, these, those, it, etc., to describe pictures, persons, places, things, etc. Okay, so today we are going to learn about pointing words, how we can point out things if we have to describe them. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 2, this is the book. There is no doubt about it, a guidance for those mindful of Allah. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the book of Allah. So which is the book of Allah? You can see that this is the book. Which is the book? Yes, Al-Quran. So this is the book that has full guidance for us. And it is giving us, there is no doubt about it. That is also what is being used, that it means in Al-Quran there is no doubt. Okay, this is a proper guidance for all mankind in all ages. Okay, so this is a book that we can follow blindly and properly to develop our life in this world and hereafter too. Okay, so let's pray that Allah Almighty bless His strength to follow this book that is being sent to us through Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Okay, so you can see I have circled and I have colored this word, these, those. So do you know which type of word these are? Okay, let's see, let's fresh our knowledge. Yes, pre-reading questions are there. Which words do you use to point things? Yes, my dear students, think about that and respond this question to your teacher. Welcome back and excellent job, and I hope you have got, because this is not a new thing for us, pointing things, how we have to point out things. So let's see. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. So yes, my dear students, what is demonstrative pronouns are also called pointing words, okay, because we use demonstrative pronoun to point out a specific thing in a sentence when we want to talk about, when we want to describe these things, these nouns. So we use demonstrative pronoun. So pronoun, already we know that we have learned a lot about it. So pronouns are the word that replace the noun, okay, that we use instead of noun. So these are called pronouns, and demonstrative pronoun we use to point things. When we are talking that, then we use these pronouns to point things even where they are. So we use that pronoun. These pronouns can indicate items and they can be either singular or plural. Okay, so you can see that when we are pointing things, persons or places, because these are nouns, and nouns are in two categories we can find in numbers. If it will be a singular noun like one, and either it will be a plural noun, more than one. Okay, so even if a singular noun or a plural noun, so we use to demonstrate them, we use demonstrative pronoun. Okay, how we can, you can see that, look at this example, this is an apple. So you can judge that This is an apple. So this is a demonstrative pronoun, okay, pointing words. Because it is pointing, you can see that why we have used this, my dear students. Yes, can you judge that? Yes, because this is the pointing, that pointing, and this is so near, okay. So that's why for near thing and singular thing. Apple is singular, one apple is there. So that's why we have used this. This is an apple because apple is so near to us, okay. And next sentence you can see that. That is an apple. Look that, you can see distance. So there is far away and singular thing, okay. That we use for far away singular thing, and this is being used for nearby things. Those are so near to us while talking, near to us, and when we are talking about these things, those are so near. So we use this, but for singular thing. Keep remember, my dear students. Next, see there. These are apples. Now you can judge that in this example. Yes, they are so near. But why we have used these? Yeah, because these are plural, more than one. For one we have used this, and for plural noun we use these are apples. Then we will also change verb, okay. We have changed their verb also. These are apples for plural. So next there you can see those are apples. So those apples are also more than one. So that's why we have used those. Those. This is singular, and those, sorry, that is singular, and those plural. That is being used for singular far away thing, and those for plural far away thing, okay. So keep remember that why we have used and how we are using demonstrative pronoun to point things. So let's see what your book is saying about it. Demonstrative pronouns, pointing words. When the words this, that, these, those, there are used to point out some nouns, they are called demonstrative pronouns. Okay, have you got that? That we have discussed already. That definition is being given in your book, so you should read on your book. So what are demonstrative pronouns? So see there, example is there. This is a new cell, so near and singular thing, okay. Read this one, my dear students. Yes, so what is this? Yes, this is a car. This is, so what we will use, my dear students? This, that. Good, because that is so far away. That is my car, okay. Next, see that. These are flowers. So these are flowers, and we have used these because more than one flower is there, okay. Next example is there, pencils, and so far away, okay. Those are pencils. So we are pointing that those are pencil. This is pen. That is pen, okay. In this way we can also, there is, that is pen, this is pen, okay. It's so near to me. I'm talking and this is so near to me. So keep remember, my dear students. See there, this is Ali. One thing more, keep remember, my dear students, we can use this for human beings also, okay. When we are talking about living things, especially human beings, so we can use this, okay, because we are using pronoun, subject pronoun for human beings. So but this can be also used for human beings, so also you can use. So those are students, you can more than one student, so we have used those. So yeah, let's see what does your book say about it. Use of it. It can be used as a subject. It is also used for animals and things. For both, it is being used for both, either that animals or things. For both things we can use it, and it can be used as a subject. Already we know what is it, my dear student. It is a pronoun. But if we are talking about things or animals, so we can use this pronoun as a pointing word, okay. So it can be used for both living and non-living things. Keep remember, it can be used for both living and non-living things except human beings, okay. This is very important information, my dear students. You can use it for all things, even non-living things, living things, except human. You cannot say that it is Ali. It will be a wrong sentence, okay? This is Ali. You can say he is Ali. So you also can say, but it you cannot use for human beings, okay? Good. See, there are examples. It is a bag. There you can see simple examples are there. It is a big tree. Even that is a faraway thing. Even that thing is so near. So there is nothing is there. Just you can describe that thing by the use of it. It is a beautiful cat. How fluffy and soft white cat is there, my dear students. So do you like cat? You have pet cat? Okay, good. See, it is cloudy day. Wow, it is a cloudy day. You can see there. So look, what is being done after cloudy day? It is raining outside. So it is raining outside. So that is the way that how we can use it while describing things, while anything else that we are going to describe. So we can use it also as a pointing word. So it's time to perform an activity, my dear students. Yes, my dear teachers, be ready. Paste a pencil on the board on one side and more than one pencils on other sides. Yes, my dear teachers, do that first. One pencil on one side. You should make two sides. One pencil on one side and two pencils on other sides. Okay? Have done it? Okay, next what you will do, make pair of students and call one student to point out pencils near the board. This is a pencil like, and these are pencils. Other partner will point out that is a pencil, those are pencils. Engage whole class in this activity. Yes, so now you will perform this activity in the shape of pairs. One student will be the far away from the board and one student from one pair partner will be near the board. Then they will point out the pencils, okay? If pencils are not available, pencils must be available in class. If anything is available easily that you can paste on the board, so you can, my dear teachers, okay? Pause the video, perform this activity in your class and enjoy. Welcome back, and I hope you have done it and you have enjoyed it while doing this activity, and you have made students' concept strong about demonstrative pronoun. Good job. So let's see, now it's time to perform an individual activity. There is a question on your book on page number 113. Question number 7 is there. Use demonstrative pronouns in your sentences. So you will construct sentences using demonstrative pronouns in your notebook. Yes, my dear teacher, you should guide your students properly while doing this classroom activity in their notebook. Pause the video and then come back. Excellent job. Good. I hope you have done it in a nice way. Okay. Now, this is worksheet and this worksheet link is given below, my dear students and my dear teachers. You should provide it to your students in printed form so that you might be able to judge that how much knowledge students have got about demonstrative pronouns. So wrap up. Today we learned to point things. We got that demonstrative pronouns, i.e. these, that, those, are, it are used as pointing words, and in this way we have covered up our SLO. Construct sentences beginning with words that point to something, i.e. this, that, these, those, it, etc. to describe pictures, persons, places, things, etc. Okay, my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.